Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. Here you can see a nice canvas. The color is just the yellow and something between red color. We're going to draw a nice scenery, very simple, easy, just drawing a straight line here at the middle point. Okay, and you can see that we're going to draw a mountain just like the few ups and downs. Okay, another one here. Okay, so very simple form, just putting the black colors here. All right, and remaining color we're just putting just like the shadow, which is just falling on the water. Okay, and here we're going to put another shadow. This is the horizon. All right, so simple form. And after this one we're going to put the reflections. So for that purpose, first going to put the reflections on the water, just putting some white color, and this is going to show the wave patterns and some changes and differences in the water level. Okay, so after putting few white color, the things changes here, and we're taking again the color and going to put the white color on one side of the mountains only, because the shades are going to fall on one side. That's one side lighter and one side is going to be darker. Okay, all right. And few pattern are going to put on the reflections here just to make it little lighter, because much darker is going to be on the top portions only. All right, and if you like to put some birds flying on the sky, so we're going to draw some birds like a V, the English alphabet, the letter V. So that's going to show the flying birds here. Few patterns, because when the birds fly, they are just flocking together. So lots of birds here. Mm-hmm. Few in the horizon. So some are smaller, some are bigger. That's the reason. And also putting some shadows on the water. Besides the white color, we're putting some the darker color for the changes in the reflections patterns in the water. So as simple as that, the drawing is complete. You can just practice at home and filling up the back end places here. Awesome, the more you practice, the better is drawing going to be. Stay tuned, see you in our next videos. Thanks for watching, have a good day.